Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show ideas and designing about crochet and knitting rompers. You can see different sizes and different varieties of crochet and knitting rompers in this one video. They look very gorgeous and pretty. As you know, crochet and knitting romper suits or just romper is a one piece or a two piece combination of shorts and shirts. It is also known as a dress suit with generally short sleeves and pant legs consulting with the typically long ones of the adults onesie or jumpsuit. They add the called rompers pin formers garments with the skirts portion gathered into the short of comfort, easy to play and often made of crochet and knitting washable materials. Romper were the go-to play clothes of the 20th century. As you know, category is a romper. Traditional romper are considered to be a feminine piece of clothing, but in recent year concept, the romper of has swept social fashion blogs and crochet knitting romper is a one-piece garment primarily worn by infants and young toddlers. Romper often have long sleeves and long legs and with snaps, zippers, or some offer other closures on the legs to allow for diaper change. As you know, crochet romper is style in 2022. The floral romper has become the emotions epitome of styles and classical coolness, owing its ability to give a very feminine form. Experts agree that romper will not do no bounds in 2020. The romper trend will be continue to grow, and you can expect to see interesting irritations on the runway from 2020 and beyond. As you know, romper are formal attires, although there are polished versions of crochet knitting romper available. The styles tend to lean towards the side of casual, so it's best to stick the traditions of its appropriate look when you are attending a work of formal events. Instead, opt for loose shorts and a cute top or a casual dresses. And most rompers are pretty loose at the top, so I recommend wearing a tank or a bandeau underneath. May romper has a slight opening in the back, so wear tank if you don't want to show skins. I hope you like all this, and if you want to make these questions in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care. May God bless you and goodbye.